Yeah, hello my followers. This video that I'm making today, particularly I'm making this video to developers, estate managers, and any other person that's derives joys in property development like building. You see, there's this video that is with this my video, attached to this my video. Someone was trying to prove that Gravitex paint is very strong. He's even trying to convince people. I know he must have convinced a lot of people into believing that you can apply Gravitex paint without plastering. You see, especially those in Nigeria, we know the ratio of cement and sand mixing that they use in block molding and even chalking. They don't have a lot of cement inside. If you are in Nigeria, I don't know for any other part of the country, never you, I said never you be lured into or deceived into accepting to apply Gravitex paint on unplastered walls. He was advertising it that it can last to up to once you paint a wall that is not plastered. Plaster doesn't lap on painted walls. If you like, try this and I'm telling you. When you paint a wall and you later want to plaster it again, it cannot hold. Paint don't allow cement to hold on walls, but paint holds on cement walls. Do you understand? So you need to use filing machine to file off the wall before you can do any other maintenance on that wall. Maybe when you don't want to use Gravitex paint again. And let me tell you, if you've been in this business as a painter or a producer, please don't do this. Don't try to impress your client because you want to eat today. You don't want to talk about tomorrow. Someone can still come and jay you. Understand? Because agreement is agreement. Never you try to do this thing. You see this thing they're doing in this video? Never you try it. Make sure your walls are plastered. Well, let me tell you, if you watch those screening walls that is pinning, you'll find out that there's no enough cement. When you have enough cement on your walls, screening will last for long. Do you understand? Especially when you use rough sand, even safe. All this one we use smooth sand. This is the reason why we are having this problem. But when you use smooth sand, if you add enough cement, your walls will not have any issue. And when you have enough cement, good ratio, your Gravitex paint can last more than what you think. Your paints can last more than what you think once the paint is of good condition. So please, don't buy this idea. Please, I beg you, don't buy this idea of you can paint your wall, you can do texture painting before or without plastering. Don't try it. Thank you.